Hi guys, welcome back to another exciting tutorial of MERN Stack. In this tutorial, we will learn how to deploy a full stack project online. So let me show you the project that we are going to deploy in this tutorial. So we have created this food delivery website using MERN Stack. We have used MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. On this website, you can see we have added the food items, and we can add these items in the cart by clicking on these buttons like this. And let's go to this cart page. Here we have all the food items. Then we will go to proceed to checkout. Here we have to provide the delivery information. So let me add these information. After that, if I go to this Stripe option, it will ask for the online payment, and if I go to this option, it will allow us to place order with cash on delivery feature. Let me place the order. So we are on the My Orders page. So here we have the order that we have just created. Right. Now let's open the admin panel. So in this admin panel, we have this orders. You can see the recent order that we have just placed. If I come here we have the food list that is uploaded on this website, and here we have the add items. Using this form, we can add a new food item on our website, right? So this website is working fine on our local server. We have already created the tutorial to create this full stack website. You can find that video link in the description. Now let's see how to deploy this website online so that anyone can access this website. So let me come back to my VS Code. In this VS Code, you can see we have three projects: admin, backend, and frontend. Let me expand it. So these are the code in admin. This is the backend code. This is the frontend code. Expand this backend. In this backend project, we will open our server file, which is server.js. In this one, we have added port 4000. So here we have to add process.env.port, then OR operator. So it will use the port available on the server. After making these changes, we have to upload this project on GitHub. So let's click on source control. We will click on initialize repository. And here we will add the message first commit, then click on commit, click yes. After that, we will click on publish branch. Now it is asking to sign in using GitHub. Let's allow. We will authenticate our GitHub account. Here it is asking to select private or public. Let me select this one. So it will push this project on GitHub. You can see the message successfully published repository on GitHub. Now let's open the GitHub account. So on my GitHub, you can see we have food.del repository. And in this one, we have admin, backend, and frontend. Right? Next, we have to open render.com. So you can see this website, render.com. Here you have to create an account. You can create using Google, GitHub, or anything. After that, you will come to this dashboard. Right? First, we have to upload the backend. So that backend will be uploaded within this web services. If you are uploading only frontend, then you can use this static sites. So let's select this web services to upload the backend. Click here, new web service. Here we will select build and deploy from GitHub repository. Select this one and click on next. Now it will ask you to connect your GitHub account. Right? And after connecting your GitHub account, you will find your repository here. You can see this is the repository food.del. Now let's click on this one, connect. So here we have the name Fooddel. So let me rename it. I will write Fooddel Backend. We are deploying the backend project, right? Now just scroll down. Here we have the root directory, right? So you can see we have added the backend project in this folder backend, right? So just copy this one and add it here. In this root directory, we have to provide backend, right? After that, here we have the runtime. It will be Node, and here we have the build command. So in this build command, we will add npm install, right? After that, here we have the start command. So in this start command, we have to write the code to start our backend server. So in our project, you can see in this backend, we have the server file called server.js. So just come back. Here we will add node server.js like this. That's it. From here, we will select this first option, free. Then here we have to provide the environment variables. So let's open the backend. Here we have the .env file. Just copy everything from this .env. Now come back, click on this button, add from .env, and paste everything. Then click on add variables. So we have added the environment variables. Now just click on create web service. Here we are getting one message. We have added the wrong spelling. So let's go to settings. We will correct it. Now it will again try to start our backend. You can see the progress here. It says building, and you can see the message in this terminal also. Now here you can see the message, your service is live. That's it. It means our backend is deployed successfully. You can see the status live, right? Now let's scroll up. Here we have the backend URL, this one. Let me copy this one. Now we have to provide this URL in our project. So let's open GitHub. Here we have the frontend and admin. So let me open the frontend project, and in the frontend project, wherever you have added the local URL for the backend, just replace that. So let me show you that in my src. Here we have the context, and in this context, I have added this URL, localhost port 4000. That is our backend URL when we are running the project on local server. So we have to replace this one. We will click on edit, provide the backend URL here in double quote, commit changes. So we have provided the URL in front end. Let's come back, and in this admin also we have to update the URL. So we have added the URL in src assets and assets.js file. Here also we have localhost port 4000. So just click on edit icon, replace this one, then commit changes. So wherever you have used the local URL for the backend, just replace that with the backend URL that is running on online server. Just come back. Now we can deploy the front end and admin. So just come back, click on dashboard. From here we will click on this button, new. We will select a static site. Here also we will connect this repository. and here we will add the name frontend. This is the front end, right? And here we have to provide the root directory. So in this root directory, we will add this front end. After that, here we have the build command. So here let's add npm install npm run build, right? And after that, here we have the publish directory. So in this one, we have to add /dist. That's it. Just click on create a static site. Now just wait for the installation. Now it will install the dependencies and create the build. Then it will deploy it online. So here you can see the message, your site is live. And here also you can see the status live. So this is our front-end URL. Just copy this one and open in browser. So here you can see our website is live on online server. Correct? Next we have to deploy the admin panel. So just come back. Here we have the admin, right? So click on this new button, select a static site, connect this repository, provide the name fooddel admin. Here we will add root directory admin, build command we will add npm install npm run build, and here just add /dist. That's it. Again click on this button, create a static site. Wait for the installation to be completed. Now you can see your site is live and this is our admin URL. Copy this URL and open in new tab. So you can see our admin panel is also running here. We can go to this tab to upload a new food item. We can click here, it will display list of food items uploaded on our website, and here it will display the orders. So admin panel is also working. Next, if I open any other page, like select this product, go to cart page and refresh this web page. So we will get this error not found. It is because we are using the React router in our project. To fix this one, you have to add the rewrite. Just come back and in this static site, you will see this redirect rewrites. Just click here. Here you have to provide /star in the source, and in this destination just provide /index.html, and here select this rewrite. Save the changes. So we have added this rewrite in the admin project. Let me add this in front end also. So let's come back to the dashboard. Here we have the front end. Go to redirect and rewrites. Provide this /star, then /index.html, and select this rewrite. Save the changes. That's it. Now just open the web browser, refresh it. You can see these routing path is also working. Next we have added the front-end URL in the admin project for the payment verification. So let me copy this front-end URL. Go to GitHub, open this backend. In this one we have the order controllers. Here we have the order controller.js file. And you can see this front-end URL, right? So we have to replace this. Just click on edit. Provide this URL. Click on commit changes. That's it. Now all the features of this website will be working fine, same as the local host. So first let me log in on this web page. Click on login. So this login feature is working. Now we will add the product in the cart. Let me add this product to quantity, this one to quantity, this ice cream to quantity, and this sandwich also to quantity. Now go to cart page. Click on proceed to checkout. Provide the delivery information here. Then click on place order. So you can see now we have two orders, right? This is the previous one and this is the new one, correct? And now if I open the admin panel, go to orders. Here also you can see the new order, which is here, to quantity, to quantity, to quantity, and this one also to quantity. And from here we can update the order status like delivered, and open the front end, refresh it. You can see the order status delivered. So this is how you can upload your MERN Stack project online using render. You have to upload the backend in the web services, and you can upload the front end using this static site. So this is how you can deploy your project online. If you have not created this project, you will find this project tutorial in the video description. You can watch that video and create this full stack website by yourself. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel Great Stack. Thank you so much for watching this video.